Are you someone who spends around $12,000 a year on your credit card? Have you ever wondered how much of that money could actually come back to you as rewards? Well, if you're a Rogers customer, you might be sitting on a goldmine. Today, we're diving into the Rogers Bank MasterCard, specifically what your annual cash back earnings could look like with $12,000 in spending. Let's break it down. Rogers Bank has two main cards, the Rogers Red MasterCard and the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard. Both have no annual fee and are fantastic for Rogers customers. The key is that if you have an eligible Rogers, Fido, or Shaw service, your earn rate jumps significantly. For this example, let's assume you're an eligible Rogers customer. That means you earn an unlimited 2% cash back on all your eligible purchases. So, on a yearly spend of $12,000, that's a cool $240 in cash back. But here's where it gets even better. Rogers Bank offers a 1.5x redemption bonus when you use your cash back to pay for your Rogers, Fido, or Shaw services. This bonus effectively boosts your 2% earn rate to a 3% cash back value. So, if you take that $240 you earned and apply it directly to your Rogers bill, it's instantly worth 50% more. That $240 becomes a statement credit of $360. That's a huge return, especially when you consider the card has no annual fee. Now, if you're not a Rogers customer, the math changes. With the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard, you'd earn 1.5% on non-US dollar purchases. A $12,000 spend would give you $180 in cash back. It's still a solid, no-fee card, but the real power is in being a Rogers customer. Beyond the cash back, there are other perks. Rogers Mobile customers with one of these cards get 5 free roam-like home days every year, a benefit valued at up to $90. The World Elite card also comes with a suite of insurance benefits, including out-of-province/country emergency medical, rental car collision/damage, and more. So, for a Rogers customer spending $12,000 a year, you're looking at a base of $240 in cash back, which can be boosted to $360. Add in the value of those 5 roam-like home days, and you can see why this card is a top choice for those in the Rogers ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.